Are you interested in learning more about new refrigerants and proper refrigerant practices? The HVACR industry is undergoing a significant technological revolution, and the National HVACR Education Conference is an opportunity for professionals like you in the industry to learn about new technologies, exchange ideas with peers, and gain a better understanding of the future of our industry. The conference is open to anyone in the HVACR industry who's interested in learning about new technologies, codes, refrigerants, content delivery techniques, and being able to interact with industry leaders. The conference will be held in Las Vegas, Nevada from March 20th through the 22nd, 2023, and will be sponsored by Daikin Comfort Technologies, the ESCO Institute, and Hampton Engineering.